message. Okay, hello, here we are again, another late night session, but we're having an awful lot of trouble moving away from this 80 centimetres of extra axis tilt, and we really didn't need it, did we? We really did not need this extra 80 centimetres of axis tilt because of the amount of water that was pumped and displaced by humans between the years of 1993 and 2010, which is 17 years. We try to get away from it, keep coming back to it, and it's gathering momentum. Because apparently this pumping and displacing is also what is creating a little bit of the water rise, the water level rise. So here we are. We just thought we'd have a bit of a closer look. So what we've got here, apart from the subliminal message, is the highlights. Like if it was a 90 minute soccer game, right? And sometimes you just want to see the highlights, just a couple of the goals, because that's what the whole study is like. If you read the study, oh my, well, buckle up before you get into that one. So what we did, we just thought we'd just pluck a couple of things out. So what I'm going to do, because this is about having a look. That's what we're going to do. Because that's pretty snazzy, to say the least. So this is the equation that's worked it out. So remember, this is just highlights. Mass loads were converted to spherical harmonic SH coefficients of the geoid, of course, and then plus, that's got to be an L. I'm not sure, not too sure. Look, I'm sure there's people out there that may be going, what's the big deal? We can understand all of it. But I'm just not one of those people, okay? So I just looked at it and thought, let's write that down. And then we've got APW over 3, I'm not sure. Look, see again, this is probably very basic numerology in some language, but they've got these little scores. Science, I mean. They like these look at the equation, this is how it is. And then of course we've got Earth radius times water density, latitude and longitude, associated legendary polynomials, low blood numbers, then using the combined mass fields, PM excitations were computed from the degree 2 order 1 SH, which we already know is spherical harmonic, right? Coefficient via KO 1985 SEO et al. 2021. So it'd have been chaos, shouldn't it? And then we go down to here. Now, MA squared, we know that, and then look again, I'm sure in some faraway land this really does make sense, but and then at the end we've got Earth mass, Earth principal moments of inertia, monthly changes from groundwater and other sources. So this is the equation that's been used to work out 80 centimetres of extra axis tilt, okay? So, So, this is a work in progress, Mike. So we haven't gone all the way, but we're gonna go all the way. We're gonna find out what's what and just have a bit of a dig around, a little nosy. Not critical thinking, but and it's not to diss, it's a fascination of how these things come to these conclusions, that's all. So it should be a good day. Yeah. 80 centimeters of extra axis tilt, which has also, funnily enough, been linked to water level rise. So that's why we're going to have a dig. Work in progress, as they say.